Hey everyone, Meredith here from ExtremeTerrain with a quick update on our status during this coronavirus situation. Now we're all in this ride together and we're doing our best to get through these challenging times. However, I wanted to let you guys know that ExtremeTerrain is still up and running with our customer service team ready to answer your calls while also safely delivering your orders in a timely fashion. As committed as we are to our customers, we're just as committed to our staff's safety, and most of our teams are working from home, including our awesome customer service team. Now, they may be taking your calls in their pajamas or trying to keep a pet from jumping up on their lap, but they are right here as always, answering all of your questions as well as helping you place orders along the way. Our distribution centers have also taken all necessary measures and are working very hard to fulfill and ship your orders in a timely fashion. The bright side to this unfortunate situation is now a lot of us have some extra time on our hands. Of course, making sure that our friends and our family are safe and healthy is our number one priority, but we also have some extra time to turn some wrenches on our rigs at home, as well as install some new parts, which is a good escape from everything that's going on. You can always check out some of our builds, our how-to, and our product videos right here on our YouTube channel if you need any additional ways to pass the time. If you're not familiar with our content, now is a great time to subscribe and catch up on all of our awesome Jeep content. We're all in this together and we will get through this. Please continue to follow the practice of social distancing and your current recommended guidelines for your area, and we'll get back to normal as soon as possible. Be well, everybody, and for all the best Jeep content out there, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.